All right, lesson 4, emerging trends in horticulture and plant management. So just as clothes and fashion have trends, so does horticulture. So key trends today are urban agriculture, because a lot of our population is now in the urban setting, and xeriscaping. Remember we talked about that? That's using landscaping that's going to be water efficient and lose little water, and using native plants, and increased interest in native plants, which I think are all great trends. Urban agriculture is typically an intensive form of ag designed to maximize productivity in a small space. That can be in skyscrapers. If you have a blank side of the building, empty space, doing a vertical garden on the side of that, doing a garden on top of a building, all of that can be urban agriculture, making use of small spaces. Benefits of native plants, I think that's pretty much common sense. Native plants are going to grow well in that soil that you already have, and they're already adapted for that climate. So you're going to have less trouble getting a native plant to survive than you would a non-native. Genetically modified plants offer new options and are increasingly available in mass market to consumers. Plant management is increasingly looking toward environmentally friendly solutions. We want to reduce chemical pesticides with integrated pest management and new means of enriching the soil. So plant science is a growing and changing field. It's a great field that's always going to be need jobs. You've already learned a bit about how the different work of researchers are doing in plant sciences, including using data collection to reduce water use and soil testing to maximize efficiency of fertilization. Much of the research we've already discussed is ongoing and used in different ways, and there's all kinds of new research that we haven't even touched on. Plant science research is funded by private organizations, corporations, and the government. In the U.S., a significant amount of plant science is funded by the Agricultural Research Service, which is a part of the USDA. Some of this plant science concerns things you might expect, like, making better plants, drought-resistant vegetables. Others are different, like looking at new options for biofuels, medicinal purposes for plants, and ways to reduce pesticides, so helping the environment. Biofuels, if you don't know, those are fuel sources derived from biological products or living things. Corn is used highly in biofuels. So it's an eco-friendly alternative to fossil fuels. So it says scientists in Hawaii are actually looking to use algae to produce biofuels using discarded papaya. So that's a really interesting idea.